An excited Ag109 nuclei emits either gamma quanta with this much energy or K converts an electron whose binding energy is this much. Find the velocity of these electrons. So when electrons are running away, they run at quite significant speed. So we have to solve this with relativistic mechanics. And what are K conversion electrons? They are the K shell electrons that are knocked out during de-excitation of nuclei. It's a non-radioactive decay process. So when Ag109 will decay, it will form an intermediate unstable nuclei. So that will be an excited nuclei. So when the de-excitation happens, that energy which is released can knock out a electron in the K shell. So those electrons that get released that way are called K conversion electrons. So what is given to us is energy released during de-excitation is 87 kiloelectron volt, because this is the total energy. So see, when passing down the ground state, either via gamma quanta route or via K conversion electron route, in both the cases, the total energy is going to be same. So during de-excitation, either by the gamma route or this route, the energy is same, which is 87 kilo electron volt. So that is the energy released during de-excitation. So for knocked out K conversion electrons, this energy, de-excitation energy, is taken up by the electron to get out of the orbit. So that is binding energy plus residual kinetic energy. So binding energy is given 26 kilo electron volt. So this gives the kinetic energy left will be 87 minus 26. So that is half MeV square. But this time we cannot just write the mass of the electron, because in relativistic mechanics the mass is going to change because of the velocity of the electron. So these equations which are given in the book, so we are going to use that. So energy is given as m minus m naught into c square. So m naught is the rest mass, and m is the mass when it's traveling with velocity c. And also m is equal to m naught upon root of 1 minus v by c whole square. So when a particle will be traveling with the velocity v, its mass is given by this. So that's what we'll do. So you'll use this equation. So T total energy is 61 kilo electron volt is equal to m minus m naught. So m is this. So minus m naught into c square. So m naught c square is me c square. What we are left with is this. So, and we know me into c square is 0.51 mega electron volt. So we simplified that and we get the velocity to be 0.45 times c. So that is the velocity of the electrons, and you can see that it is relative, it's comparable to speed of light. So that's why we were using relativistic mechanics. All right.